Stop scrolling. Look at your shelf right now. If you think your pomade and brush are just for style, you are playing a dangerous game with your hairline. In 2026, the smartest wavers aren't just styling, they're biohacking. Today, I'm exposing the hidden health benefits of your wave products that could save your scalp from early burnout. If you aren't using your products like this, you're just wasting money. Welcome back to Ocean View Brand. Around here, we don't just chase patterns, we build a lifestyle. If you're into waves, black hair care, and becoming the healthiest version of yourself, you're in the right place. Today, we're talking about 4 hidden benefits of waving products in 2026 that most wavers have never even heard of. By the end of this video, you'll never look at your pomade, your shampoo, your oil, or your 360 waves brushed the same way again. Section 1, Moisture Barrier Defense. A lot of people still treat pomade like it's 2005. Just glob it on for shine and call it a day. But in 2026, the game has evolved. Your hair is constantly battling dry air, sun, sweat, and product buildup. When your hair loses too much moisture, it gets brittle, it breaks, and your pattern starts looking patchy. A quality wave pomade isn't just there to lay your hair down. It helps create a lightweight barrier that locks in hydration while keeping pollution and dryness from beating your hair up all day. For example, the pomade I use from Ocean View is designed to give hold without that heavy, greasy feel. When I unrag in the morning, that shine is coming from moisture retention, not just product sitting on top of my scalp. Whatever brand you use, make sure your pomade is helping your hair stay nourished, not just slicked. This is one of those hidden benefits. Your styling product can actually protect your hair health when you choose the right formula. Section 2, Brushing as Scalp Therapy. Your brush is low-key a scalp therapist. Most people think brushing is only about training the pattern, but if you're brushing the right way with the right 360 waves brush, you're doing something way deeper. Every time you brush, you're exfoliating the scalp. You're lifting dead skin cells, clearing out product buildup, and opening space for your follicles to actually breathe. That's huge for growth. On top of that, brushing boosts blood flow to your scalp, and this is one of the simplest health tips you'll ever get. Better blood flow equals better nutrient delivery. Your body is carrying vitamins, minerals, and all that good stuff through your blood. When you brush consistently, you're signaling more of that to go straight to your follicles. So in a way, your brushing routine is like a natural, mechanical supplement for your scalp. No pills, just consistency and technique. Section 3, Oils, Shampoos, and Supplements for your hair. When most people hear the word supplements, they think pills. But your hair has its own version of supplements. Oils, shampoos, and conditioners that feed and protect your scalp from the outside. A good growth oil is more than just shine. It's about delivering key nutrients, essential fatty acids, antioxidants, and soothing ingredients straight to the root. The oil I keep in my rotation is the Ocean View Hair Growth Juice Boost Oil. I like it because it's light enough for regular use without clogging my scalp. But the big lesson for you is this: pick oils that reduce itch, calm irritation, and support growth, not just make it look wet for Instagram. Same thing with shampoo. Most generic shampoos are like dish soap. They strip everything. Your waves might look clean after, but your scalp is stressed out and dry. That's why I use a wave-friendly shampoo from Ocean View that cleans without wrecking my natural oils. You don't have to use what I use, but look for words like moisturizing, sulfate conscious, and pH balanced on the label. Your shampoo should reset your scalp, not punish it. When you pair good externals, oil, shampoo, pomade, with internal supplements like drinking your water, getting enough protein, and taking your vitamins, your waves stop fighting you. They start cooperating. Section 4, Mental Discipline and Satisfaction. Waving is a ritual. The brushing, the washing, the oiling, the ragging up, that's all time you're intentionally dedicating to yourself. In a world that's loud, chaotic, and always online, that 20 to 30 minutes can be therapy. When you lock in on your routine, it lowers stress. you start to feel calmer, more grounded, and when you finally unrag and see progress, those deeper connections, that extra shine, that satisfaction hits different. Over time, waving trains your discipline. If you can commit to brushing daily, washing on schedule, and keeping your products consistent, you're building the same mental muscle you need for the gym, for business, for life. Your hair becomes proof that consistency pays off. Close. Soft brand mention, no hard sell. Your waving products. Don't just see stuff for my hair. See tools that protect your moisture, clean your scalp the right way, boost blood flow. My own routine. My 360 waves brush, the Ocean View pomade, the shampoo, and the hair growth juice boost oil. I'll leave everything listed in the description. No pressure, just there if you want to check it out. If this gave you a new perspective on waving, do me a favor. Hit that like button so more wavers and black hair enthusiasts can get these health tips. Comment below and tell me which part of your routine you're upgrading first, your products, your supplements, or your consistency. And if you're serious about leveling up your waves and your lifestyle in 2026, subscribe and stick around. We're just getting started. Peace.